Welcome to my channel where reading is fun. Cat the Cat, Who Is That? Let's find out by Mo Willems. Cat the Cat, Who Is That? It's Mouse the Mouse. Hi, Mouse the Mouse. Hello there. Cat the Cat, Who is that? It's Duck the Duck. Hi, Duck the Duck. A pleasure as always. Cat the Cat, Who is that? It's Fish the Fish. Hi, Fish the Fish. Hey, dude. Cat the Cat likes her friends. Sure do. Cat the Cat, who is that? Eep! I have no idea. Blargy, blargy. Maybe. Blargy, blargy. It's a new friend. Blargy, blargy. The end. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos on my YouTube channel at Miss Sherri Gulley. Follow, like, subscribe, and share. The goal is to have a video out for you guys every single day to help you with your bedtime stories or your stories throughout the day.